Okay. Hi, my name is Trisha Brady, and I'm teaching a plant life cycle unit. So the first thing I'm going to do is the students have already learned about the plant life cycle, the plants, but not the life cycle. So we're going to learn about the plant life cycle today and what that means. So I'm going to have the students first turn and talk, where they talk to a partner, and they ask questions. Some might have some prior knowledge, some might not. So this is a good way to fill the room with a bunch of answers, questions, etc. So it says, what have we discovered about plants and seeds so far? So I want them to start thinking about what they know, what they think they might know, and what they think they might learn today. Then we have our teaching point. What is the sequence of the plant life cycle? And sequence is one of the vocabulary words where I'll use this to show in order, and it's like a form of sign language, and I like to use sign language in the classroom, and this will help my visual learners. Then we're going to talk about how humans have a life cycle too, and this is great because everything's all about kids all the time. So yes, it's about me, I'm gonna pay attention. So here is starting out as a baby. This is our life cycle. Then we're gonna relate it back to other life cycles in just a few minutes. So there's a baby, a toddler, child, teenager, adult, and then you become elderly, which they'll probably be talking about grandma, grandpas, anyone that they know at any of these ages. Oh, I have a new baby brother, baby sister. And then you'll have to, simmer it down and move on to the next topic. Then I want them to think about how flowers and plants are living things just like we are living things. So I want them to think about, have you ever picked a flower or a plant? Have you ever stepped on one? Flowers and plants are living things. Some students might not know that they are living things, which is why, hence, they have a life cycle. Okay. So then I would show this is flower wilting. Does this flower look like it's living? Does it look like it's dead? Why? And then here we have a picture, just so they can make that connection to picking flowers, if they ever have before. If they've ever stepped on a flower, which I'm sure they have. And then we have a Brain Pop video. And Brain Pop's a really good program to use when you're introducing something. So this movie's about 3 minutes long. 3 minutes long, but I'm not gonna play the whole thing. As showing the movie, I would stop, I would ask questions.
Again.